What's going on, crypto family? It's the crypto machine, Johnny Diamond Hands. Hey, look at this drip garden, drip BUSD garden. So I don't remember the last time I showed you guys this, but I'm up at up to 506 plants. That's nothing compared to a lot of people. But hey, you just got to get in where you can, and just you just got to keep compounding. Keep compounding. Uh, since y'all like short, quick videos, this is Drip Scan, Netlify app garden. I mean, you can pause the video and look at the uh website address, but it shows you how this decay is happening with the Drip BUSD, how the price is going down, and it shows you how much how much LP and what that's worth per day, based on the amount of plants that you're making per day. And I watched a video, I forgot who it was, but I watched a video, and the guy, he said that the number of plants you need to outpace decay is 900. So if you can get up to about 900, maybe between 900 and 1,000 plants, you'll be able to make enough plants per day to outpace this price drop. So I just wanted to throw that out there. I don't know how true it was, but that's what I heard. But the name of the game right now is to hold out, hodl, right? Hold out, but compound daily, compound all your plants every day. This little drip garden app scheduler will show you, when to plant each plant, based on what, the day and the time. And, but based on, this right here is based on my next 20 plants. But I thought you guys would want to see this again. And just let you know, just keep going, keep going, keep compounding, keep compounding, keep compounding. And, at the end, maybe we win. It's a game. So don't invest what you can't afford to lose. Hopefully everybody's having a good day today, relaxing, enjoying your family, enjoying your friends, enjoying your pets, enjoying your video games, whatever you do for fun. Peace.